Windows is the most commonly used operating system, almost by everyone. Sometimes we require different versions of Windows, and for that we ask others, and they provide us with Windows DVD or the bootable devices. While installation, we find that the bootable devices are not compatible with our system partition, and our whole work gets stuck over there. But don't worry, I have a solution for that. So let's begin. At first, we have to copy all the elements from the bootable device to a new folder. Then we have to go to the browser. Search for a tool called imgburn. After the downloading and installation process, we have to open the software. Go to the create ISO image from file to folder. Then select the source path. After that, select the destination path and start the process. It will take some time, and after finishing, we will get our ISO file. See, at last we got our ISO file, and now we can create a new bootable device as per our system partition.
If you like this video, thanks a lot.